श्रीराम समर्थ. श्रीराम. दशक पहिला स्तवनाचा. समास 9वा. परमार्थ स्तवन.
Dashak 1 Prayers Chapter 9 In Praise of Spiritual Path Shri Ram.
आता स्तऊ हा परमार्थ, जो साधकांचा निजस्वार्थ. नांतरी समर्थामध्ये समर्थ योग हा.
Now we will praise the spiritual path which gives ultimate welfare to seekers, and this way of achieving liberation is the most effective one.
आहे तरी परम सुगम, परिजनासी जाला दुर्गम. काजयाचे चुकले वर्म, सत्समागमाकडे.
Actually, it is very easy, but people find it difficult, because to be in the company of saints is the key, which the people have missed.
नाना साधनाचे उधार, हा रोकडा ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार. वेदशास्त्री जे सार, ते अनुभवास ये.
Other ways promise results to be attained in future, but this is actual realization of the Supreme Brahman, and that which is the essence of Vedas is experienced here.
आहे तरी चहूकडे, परी अणुमात्र दृष्टी न पडे. उदास परी एकीकडे, पाहता दिसेना.
That absolute Brahman is everywhere, but even an atom of it cannot be seen. It is uninterested in any particulars, and therefore cannot be seen at any place.
आकाशमार्गी गुप्त पंथ, जाणती योगीये समर्थ. इतरास हा गुह्यार्थ, सहसा न कळे.
The secret path is through the heavens, which very able yogis know, while others generally do not understand the hidden meaning.
साराचे ही निजसार, अखंड अक्षय अपार. नेऊ न सकती तस्कर, काही केल्या.
The Brahman is the very essence of the essence. It is an unbroken, permanent, unlimited thing which no robbers can rob, however hard they may try.
तयास नाही राजभये, अथवा नाही अग्निभये. अथवा स्वापद भये, बोलोचनये.
It has no fear from the king or from fire, and about fear from beasts it is not necessary to speak.
परब्रह्म ते हालवेना, अथवा ठावही चुकेना. काळांतरी चळेना, जेथिचा तेथे.
The Supreme Brahman cannot be moved, nor can it be misplaced. It is where it is, and it does not move away by lapse of time.
ऐसे ते निज ठेवणे, कदापि पालटो नेणे. अथवा नव्हे आदिक उणे, बहुता काळे.
So, such is the heritage of our own, which does not know change, nor becomes more or less, even after a long time.
अथवा ते घसो वटेना, अथवा अदृश्य होयेना. नातरी पाहता दिसेना, गुरु अंजने विण.
It cannot be worn out, cannot become invisible, but it cannot be seen without the help of spiritual guide.
मागा योगीये समर्थ, त्यांचाही निजस्वार्थ. यासी बोलिजे परमार्थ, परम गुह्य म्हणवनी.
In ancient times, many great yogis have achieved the final state of bliss, which is very secret, and therefore it is called spiritual life.
जेई शोधुनी पाहिला, त्यासी अर्थ सापडला. येरा असोनी अलभ्य झाला, जन्मोजन्मी.
But those who have undertaken the search have found its meaning, while for others it has remained unattainable even after many lives, though it is very near.
अपूर्वता या परमार्थाची, वार्ता नाही जन्म मृत्याची. आणि पदवी सायोज्यतेची, सनिद्धची लाभे.
The novel speciality of this spiritual path is that when you attain it, The birth and death phenomenon has no place, and the state of final freedom is at hand.
माया विवेके मावळे सारासार विचार कळे परब्रह्म तेही निवळे अंतर्यामी.
The details of the effort in this path are that by inward discernment, the illusion disappears. By meditation, the essential is separated from the unessential, and the Supreme Brahman appears clear of its own accord in the consciousness.
ब्रह्म भासले उदंड ब्रह्मी बुडाले ब्रह्मांड पंचभूतांचे थोतांड तुच्छ वाटे.
The Supreme Brahman then appears to be the vast existence in which the universe is drowned. The five elements are but a fiction to be ignored totally.
प्रपंच वाटे लटिका माया वाटे लापणिका शुद्ध आत्मा विवेका अंतरी आला.
The mundane life seems false. The illusion appears to be a fable, and the pure Atman is perceptible to the inner sight.
ब्रह्मस्थित बाणता अंतरी संदेह गेला ब्रह्मांडा बाहेरी दृश्याची जुनी जर्जरी उहिट झाली.
When the state of Supreme Brahman is well established, there is no place for doubt anywhere, and the old rag of the visible world is rotten and gone.
ऐसा हा परमार्थ जो करी त्याचा निजस्वार्थ आता या समर्थास समर्थ किती म्हणवनी म्हणावे.
Such is the spiritual life. One who makes real effort gets its results. Now, how much should I repeat that? This is the most effective path.
या परमार्थाकरिता ब्रह्मादिकांची विश्रामता योगी पावती तन्मयता परब्रह्मी.
Because of this highest path, gods like Brahma, the creator, and others get rest, and yogis become one in the Supreme Brahman.
परमार्थ सकळास विसावा सिद्ध साधू महानुभवा सेखी सात्विक जड जीवा सत्संगे करुणी.
This path affords rest to all the masters, the sages, and those who are highly experienced. And by virtue of the company of saints, it also gives piousness to ordinary ignorant souls.
परमार्थ जन्माचे सार्थक परमार्थ संसारी तारक परमार्थ दाखवी परलोक धार्मिकासी.
The spiritual path is the fulfillment of this life. It is the liberator in this worldly life, and to the religious persons it gives heavenly bliss.
परमार्थ तापसासी थार परमार्थ साधकासी आधार परमार्थ दाखवी पार भवसागराचा.
The spiritual path is the sheet anchor for seekers and the support to those who make efforts towards liberation. It shows the other shore of the ocean of worldly life.
परमार्थी तो राज्यधारी परमार्थ नाही तो भिकारी या परमार्थाची सरी कोणास द्यावी.
The man on the spiritual path is the real king, and one who is devoid of it is a beggar. What can compete for greatness with this path?
अनंत जन्मीचे पुण्य जोडे तरीच परमार्थ घडे मुख्य परमात्मा आतुडे अनुभवासी.
This spiritual path is possibly only after many lives of meritorious actions, and then the Paramatman comes in the orbit of experience.
जेणे परमार्थ ओळखिला तेणे जन्म सार्थक केला ये रतो पापी जन्मला कुलक्षया कारणे.
He who has thus recognized Paramatman has really fulfilled his life. Any other person can be said to have been born only for the destruction of his heritage.
असो भगवत प्राप्ती विण करी संसाराचा स्वीण, त्या मूर्खाचे मुखावलोकन करूच नये.
Enough with this description. One should never see the face of the fool who works hard in mundane life without attainment of God.
भल्याने परमार्थी भरावे, शरीर सार्थक करावे, पूर्वजास उद्धरावे, हरिभक्ती करुनी.
So, the wise should enter this path of spirituality and make his life meaningful. By devotion to Hari, he should liberate his forefathers in the higher worlds.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे परमार्थ स्तवन नाम समासन नववा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the first dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this 9th chapter by name in praise of spiritual path is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.